Hello student, welcome back to this session of logical learning related to quadratic equations. And this session will be related to word problem. Okay, so when I say word problem, there is already a video made on this word problem, but that was related to linear equation using two variables. Okay, so I have given the link in the description. You can check that if you want to see how this linear equation in two variable, that is also part of our syllabus. Very important chapter and very high weightage. You can go through it. If any doubt, comment me, I'll help you out. Now proceed with this quadratic equation word problem. So word problem will be the same. Only thing you need to understand the concept of the word problem. You have to read the problem, frame the equation. So before moving to actual solving the problem, you need to know the actual use of quadratic equation in our real life. These are the few examples. Okay, so like building a home, how do you calculate the areas? So while building a home, area calculation is important. Running a business, profit and loss, that we have to do that. Speed, speed of anything, can be any vehicular things, speed of astronauts, anything can be calculated. Similarly, engineers can use the quadratic equation. Satellites, this also utilize the quadratic equation, even in defense sector. There are multiple use. I would say that, okay, do one thing. This is the particular website. You can go and check because I have taken this content from this website. This website is useful. You will get the details line by line with some pictures as well. So if anyone interested, please go visit the website. Okay, and if you need any detailed description, if you're not able to understand properly, let me know. I'll create one separate video for it. Now move to actual problem of the word or practice set 2.6. So question number 1, read carefully. Product of Pragati's age 2 years ago and 3 years hence is 84. Find her present age. So let's assume current age of Pragati is x years. 2 years ago it will be x minus 2, and 2 years hence it should be x plus 3. Why x plus 3? From here onward. Okay, here onward, so x plus 3. Now product of this is, so x minus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 84. You need to find the value of x, that is a present age. Now open the bracket, solve the equation, you'll get something. So let's open the bracket. X plus 3 minus 2, x plus 3 is equal to 84. Opening the bracket, so x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equal to 84. 84 you can bring to left hand side, it will become minus 84. You can bring 84 to left hand side, it will be minus 90. Sorry, minus 84. So after solving, x square plus x minus 6 minus 84 minus 90. So now you have to find the factors of the left hand side equation. You can use formula. Which formula? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This formula you can use, or simply you can use any other methods like completing a square or factorization, whichever suits to you. Okay, so to use the formula we need the value of a. Here in this case a is equal to 1, b is equal to also 1, and c is equal to minus 19. Let's substitute in the formula and let's see what we'll get. X equal to minus b, so that is minus 1, plus minus b square, that is 1 square, minus 4 into 1 into minus 90 divided by 2 into 1. So minus 1 plus minus minus will become plus 4 into 90, 360, 360 plus 1, 361 divided by 2. Square root of 361, square root of 361 is 19. So I can say that minus 1 plus minus 19 divided by 2. So here the chances are you'll get two answers, either x equal to minus 1 minus 19 divided by 2, or x equal to minus 1 plus 19 divided by 2. So you simply we can say that is either minus 20 divided by 2, that is minus 10, or plus 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. Now the age cannot be negative. So you need to ignore this portion and you need to consider x equal to 9. Now, though we have a two different factor, we should choose only one in one column because based on the situation, each cannot be negative. So now we have the answer. What is the answer? X equal to 9. Her present age is 9 years. You have to write her present age equal to 9 years. You want to verify? You can check 2 years before 7 and 9 plus 3 12. 12 into 7 84. Hence verified. Simple. You have to read the problem to make it simple. Let's jump over to question number 2 and read the problem first. The sum of square of two consecutive natural number is 244. Okay, in this question there is one printing mistake. One thing is missed in this. So the question should be the sum of squares of two consecutive even natural numbers instead of just a natural number. Okay, so if I assume the first number is x, then second number, if it is even, it could be anything. So x plus 2 and squares. So x square, x plus 2 whole square, and sum of this square is 244. Now you got the equation. You need to solve this equation. X square, open the bracket, x square plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 244. Take 244 left hand side. So 2x square plus 2x minus 240 equal to 0. So simplify, divide throughout by 2. So it will be x square plus x minus 120. Here there is a correction. Here it should be 4x. 4x. So after dividing by 2, 2x. You can use the formula. You can use whatever it may be, but the factorization of this number is very simple. Simply you can use 12 into 10. So no need to use the formula also. 12x minus 10x minus 120 equal to 0. So take x common. So x plus 12. Take 10 common. So x plus 12 equal to 0. So remaining x plus 12 and x minus 10 equal to 0. Now you will have two answers. Either x plus 12 equal to 0 or x minus 10 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 12 and second x is equal to 10. Again, you need to choose which number you have to select. Either x equal to minus 12 or x equal to 10. Both are numbers, but here they have mentioned natural number. So if you're clear with the number system, minus 10 is not part of natural number. This is part of integer. So minus 12 is coming in terms of integer. X equal to plus 10 is a natural number. So we have to choose x is equal to 10. If one number is 10, another number will be x plus 2. So that should be x equal to 12. So we have two numbers, x10 and x equal to 12. You have to be smart to get the final answer. By mistake, if you choose in exam written, if you in exam if you write minus 12 and 10 your final answer, then you are wrong. Even though if you multiply it also, right, minus 10, sorry, minus 12 into 10 is 120, which is incorrect. We'll solve one more question, then we'll stop in this video. We don't want to make it so lengthy. Next video will cover remaining question. Question number 3. So question number 3 says, in the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudhan, there are 150 orange trees. How many orange trees? 150. Let's circle this 150 orange tree. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. So rows has 5 more trees that in column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column with the help of following flow chart. So similar things we have to do. We have to assume and find the answer. Here they have given the table and we need to fill it to get the answer. Okay, number of trees in a column they have already assumed. So x, simply if there are number of trees in a column is x, then row should be x plus 5. Why? This is more, 5 more than the column. Number of tree and column you have to find out. Then total number of trees. Then how will you calculate the total number of trees? So number of columns, number of rows equal to total trees. So for example, this is the column and this is the rows. Okay, total column values and total row values, if you multiply, you'll get the number of trees. So saying that x plus 5 is equal to 150. Okay, now you need to solve this x plus 5 equal to 150 to get the further answer. Solving this question, right? So multiply this into the bracket. So x square plus 5x is equal to 150. So saying that x square plus 5x minus 150 equal to 0. Use any of the method to get the factors, right? Again, you have very simple factors. No need to use the equation. No need to use the formula or any other method. But still, if you want, you can use. So here factors should be x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 equal to 0. Take x common, so x plus 15. Take minus 10 common, x plus 15 equal to 0. So we'll get 2 bracket x plus 15 and x minus 10 equal to 0. So your answer should be either x equal to minus 15 or x equal to 10. Now you guys are smart enough. After solving a couple of questions, you cannot select minus 15, you should select 10. Why? Number of trees cannot be negative, right? If number of trees are negative, no human beings can be alive. Perfect. Now, so what is the value of x? So I can say that x is equal to 10. Number of trees in column, so that we have already assumed x, so that is 10, and the rows, that is 10 plus 5, 15, and that's your answer, isn't it? So solving one problem is fun if you focus and read the problem properly. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. I would say that if someone interested to learn more about the real life application, go through this particular website and check that. Okay, and let's see you in the next video for the remaining question. Till then, keep learning.